welcome to a new video. Hope you like it.
BBI Elite Force Custom 1/6 figure World War II German Fallschirmjäger, Ardenes 1944. That's a Senior Lance Corporal Obergefreiter. The helmet is made of metal. Its main weapon is the SG-44, abbreviation of Sturmgewehr 44, Assault Rifle 44. It looks real, but it's plastic and does not fire. The magazine comes out, and the breech has a spring and is maneuverable.
The STG-44 was the first successful assault rifle, with features, including an intermediate cartridge, controllable automatic fire, a more compact design than a battle rifle. The STG largely influenced the Soviet AK-47, introduced 2 years after the war concluded. The STG's influence can still be seen in modern assault rifles. The ammo pouches are made of fabric like the real ones with a capacity for 3 ammunition magazines, plastic ones. He also carries a hand grenade, the typical potato smasher. Its original name is steel hand grenade. The quality of the uniform is impressive. The long coat has lining. Inside the coat is the full Luftwaffe uniform.
Mein Name ist Freiter, Obergefreiter.
Mountain boots with their respective gaiters. Standard World War II German equipment, bayonet and shovel made of metal. German paratrooper gravity knife. These knives were not usually visible, but here it is, to appear in the photo and for style. This guy has captured American equipment, a belt complete with an M1911 pistol. He also have 2 US captured K-rations, breakfast unit, B. This manufacturer did not put swastikas but, yes, a somewhat similar design.